Do you want to make your Tesla look unique and stand out from everybody else's? Modern day luxury cars like Mercedes and Audis all have welcome lights when you open the door to the car. Tesstudio has definitely made the coolest version of these lights that I've found. Box came packaged with the stuff on the outside, same as usual. Double packaged inside this little plastic container on the inside. Felt strong and felt secure. Nice and safe from the elements. Once I opened them up, I realized that these things are actually pretty decent quality. This is the tool that I use to get them out, a butter knife, although you could definitely find better options.
Pop this sucker out.
You get it out, you just put it on the side and pry it out. There's a little connector that you have to use the end of the butter knife to push in. The original OEM light will just pop right out. Pop the new light in, push it back into the assembly, and you're good to go. This is a whole lot cooler than I actually had expected it to be. The old Tesla one.
They're just so pretty. Look at that.
These ones are a cool one. Definitely make your car stand out. Again, guys, it's a super easy process, super easy tutorial, very simple to do. I used one other rendition from another company, and it was just a static logo on the ground. Teststudio's at least changes, which is something that when I saw it the first time, I was thoroughly impressed with, as you can see by my reaction. I highly recommend you check out Teststudio's products. Don't forget to use my code MODTESLA to get 25% off for Father's Day as well. So thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to tune in next time for more Tesla and tech-related content. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great rest of your day. Peace.